Mark, thanks. 1 week since the remnants of Hurricane Ida went through this area. Also, some other storms just devastated a small community in Southwest Virginia. But today, no shortage of volunteers in Buchanan County. Bianca Murray was in Hurley today. She has an update on how recovery efforts are going.
There's no shortage of volunteers here in Buchanan County, Virginia, seeking to help a neighbor in need after the devastating flooding from just 1 week ago today. One group already restoring homes.
We physically come in and clean the homeowner's home out, move all the furniture and take all the damaged area of the house out, the wet insulation, the walls, the flooring, clean the house up, pressure wash it, disinfect it, and get it ready for them to rebuild.
The devastation wrought by Hurricane Ida on the small community in Hurley, Virginia is unlike any seen before.
This happened in a short time frame, less than a half hour. Water was up in people's homes in less than 30 minutes.
Community members say they're lucky it happened during the day.
We were blessed to have had our children already in school. We were blessed that it didn't happen at night. We feel like that if this would have happened at nighttime, we would have had well over 100 casualties.
One fatality was reported.
Even with, knowing it was raining, knowing the water was up, and it being in the daytime, there were still several that had to be rescued because it came up so fast that they just simply didn't have time to seek higher ground.
Power mostly already restored, the timeline for water restoration is predicted to be nearly a year, but volunteers helping where they can.
When we came this morning, the mud had been cleared. We went inside, removed all the furniture. The mud and the water was 18 inches high inside.
His message to the community:
just be encouraged. Know people love you. They're praying for you, and just hang in there.
Reporting in Hurley, Virginia, Bianca Murray, News Channel 11.